What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome back to your daily update on Ethereum. So that's what we'll do in this video. We'll take a look at the price mainly. We'll also talk about some fundamentals. I think that's very necessary and valuable. So we'll do that, and yeah, mainly that. We'll just take a look at the market as well. But that's it. So. First of all, hope you're all doing great, obviously. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Always think it's valuable to talk about that. And hopefully this Ethereum update could contribute in a positive way. I am pretty positive about Ethereum, so might help. Volume still pretty high at around, well, it's a pretty nice, almost at a 10% of the market cap. That's relatively high. It's not as high as Bitcoin. Bitcoin's volume has been outrageous the last week. But apart from that, it's still very high. Of course, volume isn't necessarily bullish or bearish, but still. And apart from that, something that's good to know is that Sunday, at least the last 3 weeks, has been pretty bullish for crypto in general. Not necessarily sustainably bullish, but we've always the Sunday, like definitely in the evening, like in European time. So that's probably afternoon in the US. And in Asia it's more around midnight for all the viewers out there. But yeah, so usually we get some bullish momentum there. For Ethereum, I mean, Ethereum has been massively bullish compared to the market as well. So you just saw the analysis I deleted. I feel like I have to do that. I still feel like that is a realistic scenario, so that we drop down to 1550. We might spike down all the way to like 1510, and then we get above 1550 again, and then we'll break above our major resistance level, which in this case is 1670. And then we'll get up to around 1800. I don't think we'll reach 1800, but around that level. And we could reach it as well, to be honest. So this is still very realistic, but because of that bullish momentum, I wanted to kind of add a scenario into the mix, and that is that we'll just, like, in the end, the only thing we need to do is we need to break above this level right here between 1650 and 1670. That's the main resistance level. Today we will probably get quite a lot of bullish momentum. Bitcoin also looks like it's ready to do that. So it's very well possible that we break above that today, after which we will find some resistance at 1700. But then we'll take a break retest and we'll start heading up towards these levels around 1760 to be precise. So this is like at this point of time, this looks like the most likely scenario. If we don't do this today, this is also based a lot on the fact that I'm expecting bullish momentum very quickly. So if this doesn't happen in the next 24 hours, then you can get back to this scenario. All right, but for now, this looks like the most likely scenario. And I wanted to add that into the analysis. Just I don't know. I want you to be optimally prepared, obviously, for all scenarios, and felt like I had to add that. But apart from that, fundamentally, next week is quite an important week. Fundamentally, again, we're going to have some Federal Reserve interest rates from the US, obviously, that's the Federal Reserve, which is going up from 3.25 to 4%. At least that's what's expected, and it's probably going to go up that way. So we might not have big reactions because of that. Interest rates going up is bearish, but it only going up by 0.75% could be considered bullish. So I'm not expecting that much moves because of that, but the Federal press conference afterwards is going to be massively important. I'll make more videos about that specifically later this week on what you can expect, but in general, it's like you have to if you're listening to it, you have to think about, are they saying that they're going to increase the interest rates even more, or are they going to cool it down a little bit? And it cooling down is a very realistic scenario. It's also very bullish for crypto. All right, so that's something I'm hoping for, but I'm not incorporating that into the analysis just yet. I will, though, in the upcoming days. So hopefully I'll see you then again. But for now, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Don't be stuck at the charts. There's way more to life, obviously. But for now, take care and bye. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention for my new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit, and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video.